Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I am so glad you could join me today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what I received in March from No Make No Life. I am super excited to see what we have in here, but before we get started, if you love all things makeup, beauty, and fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new content on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, I'm super excited to see what I have in my No Make No Life box. Let's open her up. Here's a little sneak peek of what I have in here. Alright, so the theme for the month is Sakura Beauty Spa. Love the art as usual. Super cute. There's already such cute things in here. Alright, so the first thing we have is this really adorable little headband. This is the Fluffy Kitty Ears Spa Headband. This is from Japan. Keep your hair out of the way during your makeup and skincare routine with this super comfy and fluffy spa headband. Comes in purple or gray, plus it has super cute kitty ears. This is super cute. I got the gray one. This will be really nice for when I'm doing my masks. I love this. This is so fun. All right, next up in here, we have... oh, it's a makeup brush holder. That's kind of cute. So we have this little makeup brush holder. Let's see. It's from Japan. We're all about mise en place, especially when it comes to your makeup routine. Keep your brushes organized and aesthetic with this heart-shaped makeup brush holder. Place it on your bathroom or vanity mirror to keep your brushes handy while you work away and then to dry after you give them a wash. That's super cute. I don't really have the space to put them for myself here, and I don't really do my makeup up in the bathroom, so this might go into the giveaway pile. It's super cute, or I might see if a friend wants it, but yeah, this is adorable. I like it. It's super cute. All right, next up in here, we have such pretty packaging. So this is a Sakura Vaseline. Interesting. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's read about this. So this is from Japan. I think the majority of things in here in this month are from Japan because it is the cherry blossom season. Sakura scented Vaseline. Bring a touch of elegance to a beauty staple with Sakura scented Vaseline. It's infused with cherry leaf extract, which contains moisturizing properties and helps you to zone in on dry hands, lips, legs, and more. The perfect size and in a beautiful tin. Take it with you or keep it handy on your desk. Love that. I'm gonna open this up real quick because I want to smell it. Oh, it smells nice. It's just like a light scent. I'm wearing lip gloss and lipsticks. I don't need to put on my lips, but it does say you can use it on your hands. Oh, that smells really nice. It's just a very light scent. I bet you that'd be nice by the cuticles. I really like that. All right, moving on to the next item. I love this little tin too. This will definitely be staying by my desk. So the next item we have, oh, this is cute. It's a Hello Kitty lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. So this is the Blooming Hello Kitty lipstick from Japan. It's the OG Hello Kitty is back with a pop of lip color. Get one of 6 rich colors, all containing glitter that will make your lips dazzle. So does this say which one it is? Number 7. No, they don't give us what the numbers are. So you could either get red, pink, pearl classic rose, pink shiny blue, pink shiny gold, or coral shiny red. Let's take a look and see which one I got. Oh, very nice. I'm gonna say this one is probably red. Very pretty. But that's what that one looks like. It's either red or the coral shiny red. That could also be what it is. But that's very pretty. It feels nice and like moisturizing. All right, next up in here we have a Sakura Parade bath set. This is super cute. So it's like, it looks like a little bath like spa set. It looks like there's maybe like a bath bomb, maybe a little oil bomb. Let's read about this one. So again, from Japan, bath time has never been fancier with Sakura bath set. Light some candles, put on a podcast, and soak in cherry blossom luxury. Includes a Sakura scented milky bath salt, a Sakura bath tablet, and a Sakura bath pop. Super cute. I am actually really excited to try this out. I think that'll be like a really nice spa day. Just have like a little bath, do a mask afterwards. It sounds perfect. All right, next up in here we have a mask, and you know I love a mask. This is the Pure Essence Mask Sheet in Damask Rose, which I love, love, love rose scented things. This is from Korea. So this is the Halika Pure Essence Rose Face Mask. This spa day continues with this Lock-In Moisture Face Mask. Treat yourself with this Rose Essence Infused Edition. Very fun. I'm going to add this to my pile of masks. All right, we have 2 more items in this box. Both look super cute. So the first thing we have here is a peach cotton blusher, Blossom Edition. The packaging looks super adorable. I feel like I've gotten something similar in the past. I know it wasn't the same one, but a similar blush color. So this one is from Korea, Peach Sea Powder Blush Blossom Edition. Peach Sea was founded by Korean model, YouTuber, and Instagrammer Hanul. I'm hoping that's how you say it, and I apologize if it isn't. Also the CEO of Hanul Lingerie. Get long-lasting color with this super fine powder that doesn't fly away. This limited edition powder blush comes in 3 blossom-inspired colors. There's cherry blossom pink, pinky pink, and mandarin orange. It doesn't tell me which shade it is. It's definitely either the pinky pink or the cherry blossom pink. Number 1. It just says number 1. So maybe it's the cherry blossom pink. Either way, it's very pretty. This is what it looks like on the inside. And since it is currently still my giveaway, then I think this is going to go into the spring giveaway because it is very spring themed. So if you're not aware, I do have a spring giveaway going on right now. It's going from March 21st to April 16th, 2021. I will link up above so you guys can get to that video. And this isn't in that video because I didn't have it at the time I filmed that. So this will be going into that giveaway. So super cute and super fun. All right, the last item we have in this box is a 6-color eyeshadow palette. This is super cute. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Again, very nice springy colors. This is from Japan. The Spring Colors eyeshadow palette. Remember when What Season Am I was a thing? Well, scratch that. Here, everyone is a spring. This eyeshadow palette comes with 6 fun spring-inspired colors. Get 1 of 3 color sets. So I think this one is the sweet set. So it's pinks, purples, browns. This set is flowery and perfect for everyday wear. This will also go into that giveaway. I think this is super cute. I love that it's spring themed. So I'm going to put that in there as well. All right, that concludes what I received in March from No Make No Life. It was a super cute box. I am nearing my year mark of having No Make No Life, which number 1 gets me 15% off any future boxes, but at the same time, I have a lot of other subscription boxes going, so I don't know that I'm going to continue No Make No Life unless there's like anyone out there that's like, please, please, I love that box, I want to see more of what you get, then I'll continue. But I think in a couple months that's going to probably be the end of my No Make No Life, but I still really like it. I think it's super cute. I just have too many other things going on at the same time, and I don't end up using a lot of the stuff minus like the skincare and things like that. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much when you do so. And until next time, guys, bye!